Hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and this is my husband Jack. And we thought it'd be really fun to do something a little bit different than we normally do on our channel, which is a candlelight tour of my office.
Yay! It's gonna be so much fun.
Doesn't that sound like so much fun? And because the room was inspired by a glass of champagne, we have popped open our favorite bottle. That way we can toast together to the holiday season and also celebrate to this special room because let's face it, the holidays are great during the day, but when it's really special is at night.
I know, when all the lights turn on and the candles get lit. Oh my gosh, my favorite time of the day.
Yeah, so this room in particular is my favorite because this is my office. It is a studio space. It's an area that we hang out a lot in because
we live in this room.
So we are excited to give you a full tour of the space by candlelight.
We're so glad you're here. If this is your first time visiting with us, make sure you hit subscribe so you can see all the other videos we have coming up. We have more videos coming up for Christmas. We also have multiple design projects right now that we'll be filming and releasing over the next few weeks and into 2021, and so make sure you join along.
Yeah, and don't forget that you can go back and visit the other videos that we've done as we've given a full tour of our home for the holiday season. One of the things that's going to be coming up in the next video, which is why you should subscribe, is this amazing wreath that is behind us. This is something that we've already filmed and plan to release. So we're gonna show you exactly how to make this. For now, let's give them a sneak peek of how beautiful this is.
All right, let's show it to them.
One of the things that I have in this space is this beautiful, what is called a Moroccan frosh. And I have not done it the traditional Moroccan way at all.
No, not at all.
Probably most Moroccans would have a heart attack if they saw that I've actually painted the base black and put a black linen cover on their traditional mattress. But you literally use this. You come in here
all the time. This was ours at the time we bought in Morocco, and what I love about it is that it gives us a permanent space here for me to come in while you're working. I pull up my laptop and work with you and that type of stuff, and it just gives me kind of a hangout space.
And I may have had just a little bit of fun using my little champagne and my little touch of glamour for the season to give me an excuse to not only bring the velvet in here, which you guys have seen me use these cushions over and over in other spaces and in other homes. These are from Pottery Barn, but the ones back here. So I have to show you guys these cushions because they have got the most amazing finish on them. I wanted something that was really elegant, and we were originally supposed to be in Europe for the holidays this year.
Yeah, pre-COVID, that was the plan.
Yeah, so to abate that disappointment, I decided to give myself a space that felt like one of those really beautiful hotels that we would have gone and visited and just dress it up.
What I love about this space, and the pillows have played a part in this, the candles and everything, is that it's one of the darkest rooms in our entire house, but it's one of the warmest feeling because you brought in the browns and the velvets and the champagne colored, champagne influenced color palette, and so it feels really, really warm.
The other thing that I've done up here is this amazing wreath, and our next video, hopefully, is gonna be the tutorial on how to make this because I really wanted something that had that sort of drama that you see in a chic boutique hotel.
Yeah.
But this was very affordable and I can't wait to share that with you. So let's show them the rest of the room, shall we?
Okay, let's do it.
Back here is one of my favorite parts of my office because I have my beautiful restoration hardware dresser, which is meant to be for the bedroom. However, I really use this dresser.
We use this every single day. All the gear is in it, multiple drawers of gear, and then real estate papers, design stuff, all your color decks and all that good stuff. So we use this all the time.
It's a workhorse.
Yeah,
and
it is.
I love it. And it's the perfect excuse to dress up this little area for the holidays. I put out this little tray. It's so funny. I found this at H&M probably 4 years ago at least. It's just an inexpensive little tray, but I have filled it up with some of the juniper berries that you'll be seeing around the room. And I also found these amazing...
Where did you get these?
So these are paper whites, and I found these at Trader Joe's for $3.99.
Are you serious?
I'm 100% serious.
Trader Joe's, my favorite snacks, and now my favorite plants.
I know, and not to skip over, but back here, been beautiful, beautiful flowers.
I wish you could smell right here. This space.
Too. I wish we had smell-o-vision for you guys.
She smells magical. This smells great as well because you have the berries, you have the candles, you have the flowers over there. I mean, it smells so good. You're getting a little bit of the wreath coming in now with the cedar, and it smells so good.
It does. And it was very inexpensive to make this little bouquet of flowers. I was thinking it would be really fun to have a subscription to a florist that sends flowers.
Oh yeah.
But I also saw that it was going to be a little bit expensive, and it's the holidays, and I was like, oh, maybe I shouldn't treat myself. So instead I treated myself to a few flowers from Trader Joe's and managed to make my own pretty well.
Maybe I should treat you to a florist.
I think that would be an amazing
Subscription.
gift idea. Yes, definitely. Some of the other things over here, I found this beautiful hurricane glass candle holder. Found these at Target, you guys. They're very simple, but it's perfect. I found the candles there. I tied a little bit of velvet ribbon onto the candles and dressed it up with some of the ornaments that I found at Home Goods. So nothing super expensive. Look at this little guy. He's really cool.
He is so cool. So cool. And
do you remember finding him at Target?
Is that where he came from?
Yeah, we were there together.
Oh
You never
my gosh.
remember this stuff, but you're so funny.
I never remember anything. So my favorite thing is this thing, which she's been holding out on. This is so much fun.
You've been dying for this forever,
Yes.
haven't you? Yeah, I know. So we both have spotted these in so many shops and have talked about wanting to buy one everywhere we go.
Because we use candles all over the house, all year round, not just at Christmas time. And I mean, we have the plastic little lighters, but there's something fun about striking a match and like smelling it. And
It's
this
really
thing
cool.
is so much fun.
Yes. Back here I've got this incredible smoky glass vase that's actually a Danish designer. Her name is Louisa Rowe. And I fell in love with this. It's something that Jack gave me for my birthday because it's a little bit more expensive than a Target vase. But you can see how I've taken some designer books and a beautiful designer vase, and I've mixed it with things from Home Goods and Target. And this mirror, you guys are gonna love this. The mirror is from Home Depot.
Oh my gosh, I remember that.
And the lamp is from Pottery Barn. So I really just mixed high and low. And I think that's how you can create this beautiful warmth and elegance. And candlelight, come on. Candlelight just adds a richness to everything.
I know, and once again, this is one of my favorite design type of elements because it makes you be curious.
Yeah.
Like it's not flat, you don't see it all from a distance, you have to come up and kind of interact with it, and I love it. And you smell it and you can touch it, and this is how design should be done.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I feel like I've been like a florist.
Yeah.
In Scandinavia.
Yeah, it really does. Reminds me of
That's
some
what
of
I
those florists.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to talk about the tree. So let's go on over here.
So we're kind of blocking it, but here is this little beauty. We grabbed this little tree and it's amazing actually. It's $99. They have them on HomeDepot.com. You can also go ahead and get them ordered in advance and just pick them up if you don't want to go in. And it's actually a really nice tree. And dress it up a little bit. I wanted the smell to really be all the way through the room because it's so fragrant.
Yeah, and again, I'm allergic to pine if you haven't caught on to that yet. So live trees are not an option for us.
Yeah, not this size. You're gonna see in a minute where I've got one that's a little bit smaller that's doable, but you can't really decorate it so much. So to put a nice big tree in here, this one ended up being perfect. So from Home Depot, I've stuck in a few of the branches here, the juniper berries and the cypress and the cedar. And I just decided this was my girly moment. I grew up dancing ballet, and I grew up dancing ballet and playing football on the streets with the boys. So
I wonder why I think she's hot. Because she's tough as nails, but wears a tutu. My kind of girl.
You're so funny.
I'm serious. Whew. Haven't even had champagne yet.
Yeah, please don't sip.
God.
We need you aware for this. So I decided to play up that sort of nutcracker elegance, the ballet. That's where you see so many of those champagne tones. It's my moment. It's something that just feels really, really girly, and I'm completely unapologetic about it because in this room, I am usually wearing, you know, like a leather type pant and a blouse, and I just need some girliness. I'll try to list some of the
the ornaments are gorgeous. I wish you could see them all up close because they're amazing.
Some of these are definitely more expensive. Some of my favorite ones here came from Asheville when I went with my mom and my sister and Haley. We did a girls trip last year And we had so much fun shopping at the Biltmore and found so many beautiful ornaments. And I've taken some that were, you know, $20 a piece and added them in with those that were like $20 for a whole set. So I think you can really mix things up. I think adding presents under the tree makes a big difference too. Just again, all these wrapping papers are from places like Target and Home Goods, and the ribbons I've gotten from there or Michael's or Amazon. And I just try to just make the most out of everything. I know what I want, and then I go to the stores looking for those things.
Yeah.
So, okay,
all right.
We've got more to show.
We got one more place.
I know. This is where you will find us around 2 a.m.
Literally. From midnight till about 2:30, this is where we're living. Because,
sometimes 3 or 4.
yeah, she's camped out over here editing, putting together, you know, a video or design projects. I'm usually camped out here on the ottoman with my laptop. Not usually
with champagne.
But this is usually like literally, this is what I love about this room is it's multi-function.
Yeah.
Because it's not just an office, but it's also a studio. We film. She also works with clients here. We have the team here for meetings.
Well, at least pre-COVID.
Yeah, pre-COVID.
Not so much anymore.
Well, the team being me, you, and Louie at this point. So
yes.
that's the ones that we have over at the house. But it's a great place because this little guy, this ottoman, can move around when we need it.
Yeah.
But it's also my home.
Yeah, I actually stole the ottoman and the rug from the bathroom because I originally had this set up as a dining room. I thought that we would use it that way. And as it turns out, we never were using the table, and it was just kind of consuming a lot of the room. So we just tested it out. We just thought, let's just pull the little rug in here. I like being able to see more of the wood floor in here. Yeah. Okay, so truth be told, the fur blanket is not usually sitting with Jack. It's usually sitting
with Jack. Jack's over here in shorts and a t-shirt, and she's like bundled up like she's out working out in the snow.
That's really true. It's really true. I don't know why I'm always cold, but it's usually either the fur blanket that I have stolen off my bed or the teddy bear blanket that I bring in here. I usually have something that I'm snuggled
Or one of the
with.
40 blankets that she's bought and said she was going to return and never did.
Hey now, that is truthful but hurtful.
They're everywhere.
Show them the one in the basket back there because they're going to see that in the shot and they're going to be like, where is that from? This blanket, truth be told, was supposed to be for that. It's in the gift guide. And I had ordered it to show you guys because we have one more gift guide video coming out for you. And I found this at Amazon and it's less than $30.
Whoa.
And I can't believe it. It's gorgeous. This is the 5th one I've ordered just in the last couple weeks because it's so beautiful. It's simple with that sort of window pane look. And I think with the little French basket in here, it's perfect for me just to have a spot that I can throw extra blankets. But
yeah,
that one probably isn't gonna go to somebody's house either.
Nope, they never do.
Okay, because you guys always ask for where the little details are from, we've got the Restoration Hardware map, which I found on clearance when we first moved into this house. He thought I was nuts because I spent like $600 on it. And I did a whole video on Restoration Hardware on how to find good deals. I'll leave a link for that as well. But that was one of those things where I was like, I'm buying it. I just know I'm never gonna see that price again. And
it's Paris.
Yeah.
And we love Paris.
Yeah,
so
and
I'm
it
glad
ended
we
up
have
being
this. Yeah.
such a good deal because they're really expensive. And then I've got a vase, which I have filled with more Trader Joe flowers. Of course, my computer, which is my baby. I love this thing, it's my life. And then one of my friends has given me a candle, which smells so good in here. This is, I'll have to blow it out for you to show you.
What is it?
Okay, so I have a little hack. So I wanted a bigger candle in this space.
That's a cool idea.
Just like that. Just like that. So what I've done is that I had this bigger candle holder, and then I had this beautiful candle from my friend. This is called Brunch, Mimosa and Sandalwood from JP Candles. So if you are looking for a local, sustainable, organic, amazing candle, I'm just gonna leave a link because he has recently started his candle company and these are incredible.
It smells so good. And it goes with your champagne because of mimosa feel, so you get that smell,
which
is awesome.
You can it actually smells like there's champagne
Yeah.
in here. It's amazing. The desk is actually from one of my clients. She gave me this desk, and originally it was a cherry finish. And I think she almost had a heart attack when she came over and saw that I'd painted it.
Guys, this desk is amazing. And it is, if there's anyone in the world that deserves this desk, it's you.
Oh, baby, that's so sweet.
Because it's got these killer like lion faces on it, and it's fierce, but then it's like, it's got these feminine curves to it. It is totally her.
I love this thing.
I love this desk
so much. I think this is actually my favorite piece of furniture in the whole house.
Yeah, like if they said, you gotta go, grab one thing.
One piece of furniture, I think it would be this one. And finally back here, we have our live cypress tree, which I have decorated with a few ornaments, which I have tied on with that velvet ribbon, which I found at Amazon. And it's sitting on an inexpensive table from Target. It's got my printer and my boxes down below where I keep files that I use more often, and I just need to quickly grab them.
I love this space because you made it your own. You made it a space that if you're going to work, and we all work from home right now, but you're always going to be working from home. It's a space that inspires you. You've got all this natural light coming through this massive window, but then you're still in this place that feels a little sensual and a little, it just feels like places we visited before. You're reminded of Paris and Stockholm and other places. So I think it's a great space.
Thank you, sweetie.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And it feels so Christmassy and smells divine right now.
I know, I wish so bad we had smell-o-vision.
Yeah.
So cheers, you guys, to the holiday season. Cheers. Just so honored to have you guys come by for a visit, and so honored that you guys have subscribed, that you're regularly stopping by, that you write us all these sweet notes. It makes me cry.
I know, when we read your notes on YouTube, thank you so much for those. You guys are amazing.
It just means the world to us. At a time when we could feel so lonely.
And so isolated, we truly appreciate you reaching out and speaking words of kindness over us.
It means so much to us. It's such an honor to get to be a part of your lives, especially at the holidays, and to, I hope, encourage you to create a space that you just love to be in so much. And it's all about you and those quirky things that make you who you are. Those are the things that will make you feel the most at home when you celebrate them. So, well, we'll just go on all night. So cheers, and we will see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget, hit subscribe.
Oh, that's right.
And visit us at Instagram if you haven't already, because we are definitely giving you sneak peeks of other things that are coming out soon.
I know, can't wait.
See you then.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
I love you.
I love you too.
Blanket over my lap. It's not you. You've made that so awkward.
Sorry. One cheek moved, the other one did not.
I love you. Thanks for always working with me.
Sure, of course.
I love you.
That's really good.
A rum punch. I don't know where that came from.
I don't either. So your first sip, that hit quick. Girl cannot hold her alcohol. One sip and you're like, rum punch, hanging from the chandelier. How much has she had? A bottle? Nope, one sip.
I'm usually asleep, so you should be happy I'm awake.
She's not allowed to drink before 3 a.m. or else she's gone.
Oh my God.